Hello, my name is Elder Jene Aguado and this is Activity 5 entitled Soil Moisture Sensor and for Embedded Tree. And so here we started by writing the code for the soil moisture sensor. As we can see here that uh, we connected this to our ThinkSpeak application. We wrote our channel number and API key, right API key from ThinkSpeak, and then we input our SSID and the password of our Wi-Fi. So by writing this SSID, we have connected the Wi-Fi from to our ESP8266. And here we wrote int x is equal to ThinkSpeak that right field. My channel number is the number one, and type soil moisture sensor, and then write the API key. So we can see here that code if the code was successful, it will input output update successful, but if it's not, problem updating channel error. Okay, so we can see here. Oh, wait. And you can see over here that from our values have changed. Wait, let me pull out the. This is the soil moisture sensor. It's the same as the water level sensor. So let's uh, wait for a bit to see that it will be going down to 0. We have also created a React for this one called soil moisture sensor, and we can see here it's a string, and it will tweet soil is wet in our Twitter account each time the condition is met. We have I equal to. I need to edit this. So it's greater than ay, condition type numeric is greater than or equal to 60, and save React. Okay, so now we will check our channel activity 5, and let's see that it went down to 7, and then here is our path. Here you can see soil. I will input the soil moisture sensor here in the wet, somewhat wet uh, soil, and then let's just wait and see for the result here in our, oh, in our let's wait for it to. Let's just wait and see. And we can see here that it went up to 714 because the soil is already wet. So let's check our Twitter account if it has a tweet. Something went wrong. What happened? Let's just wait. Oh, so here we can see it just updated that the soil is wet. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.